What's up, guys? Here I am outside with my 2005 Volkswagen Touareg. I've named her Helga, and she has a problem with her drive shaft support bearing. I'm going to change it out with radiator hose and zip ties, and it's going to work. I hope. Alright guys, today we are going to change the drive shaft bearing housing thing. I'm not even sure what it's called, but I'm pretty sure I can fix it with some zip ties, according to a video that I saw. So first we're going to remove these bolts right here with the tool that I have from a skateboard kit. A little bit easier than having multiple sockets. Whenever this housing fails, it sounds like there's a midget trying to punch through the center console of your car, because this right here shouldn't move that much. So from what I can surmise, this is a common failure on the Volkswagen Touareg, the Audi, and the Porsche Cayenne. Shouldn't have that much play in there, and I can just see that it's already deteriorated, but I have to take off this protective cover first. So let me get you guys through this part real quick. Okay, so we got the cover removed, and this part right here, this is our problem. This guy right here. So let me see if I can get you a better shot of it. The rubber housing around here is totally stripped off. It's gonna need to be replaced. Volkswagen wants about $400 just for the part, let alone the labor. The bearing still spins just fine, but we're going to strip this rubber off, and then put in our own custom made rubber thingy. Hopefully that makes sense to you guys. All right. That thing. That's the piece we're gonna fill that whole gap right there. So I have made this. This is going to fill the gap between that bearing and the housing. I might need to add another one. I'm just gonna try it on, see how it fits for size, and then we're gonna go from there. Good news, I got it on. After spraying this sucker with a lot of lubricant, I was able to slide the clamp over the hoses. So now they're sitting. I'm gonna trim off the excess zip ties and probably do some zip ties around the outside just to make sure that they're secured, and start it up, test it out. I'll let you know what happens. I hope this works. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. Time for a test drive. Got it done. fixing the housing for the drive shaft bearing. I'm gonna punch it and see how it acts. Absolutely no problem. No more thumping underneath the center console, and just as responsive as whenever I first got the car. Running at almost 160,000 miles. My brake lights, my check brake lights are on. That's the next venture, because I'm definitely not paying for that either. So there you have it. If you need to change your radiator support bearing rubber thing, obviously I am not a mechanic, but it worked like a dream. I definitely suggest it. Peace.